Hello everybody and welcome back to a very special episode on 539. So a while ago we began to document the restoration of a very old and wrecked graveyard, and we're back once again after a lot of the work has been completed, and we're going to check out how well it's doing and how far along the work is on. It's looking really amazing from the road, and I think that it's going to be very encouraging to a lot of you out there who have been following this journey. So let's get out and check it out. So right away we can see that not everything is quite done yet, but this one right here is something that was looking in incredibly bad condition originally, and now it has been almost restored to its original glory. You can also tell that the exterior here has been cleaned very significantly and looks an incredible white color now. And even though a lot of these have still yet to be picked up and set right, you can tell that they have been marked and again are in the process of being put back to where they once were. Over here we can see a lot of pieces that have been found and collected in a central area so that they could begin to put them back together and hopefully find the right spots for them. A lot of base stones that may end up being thrown out and replaced by newer materials. And even though you can tell very easily that there's still a lot of work to be done, there's still a significant amount of progress that has been done while they've been working. And work like this is obviously very hard and very time-consuming, and these people aren't doing this for money. They are doing it out of the kindness of their hearts and volunteering their time and services here. So it's obviously going to take some time to get this completed, but as you can tell, again, the project is well underway and a lot of significantly good work has been done here. This car's just kind of randomly stopped. It's just sitting there now, waiting for no one whatsoever. Makes me kind of wonder. Again, this is a place where I've been watched more than a few times. People just sit there and either roll down their windows or start to film you. Not sure why it took 30 seconds to make a right-hand turn at an all-way stop, but people are often very suspicious. So the good news about a lot of these here, as we can tell, they're still laying down, but a lot of them have been reorganized. And if you look at some of the original videos that we did while we were here, everything was out of place, kind of strewn throughout the cemetery, and just in overwhelmingly bad condition. But now at the very least, everything has been organized, everything has been marked, and a lot of it, again, has been restored, as we're about to see in this row right behind me. So another thing I wanted to show all of you is that a lot of this front wall has been not fixed but cleaned up. There had been a lot of stones that were on the very edge and had been nearly ready to fall off, and they have all since been cleared completely. And you can even see a spot right here where one used to be hanging off of the edge, and the indent still is there. And looking on down the row again has been cleaned up very nicely, and maybe even the wall itself will be restored eventually here. This is another area that's going to still need to be done, but is clearly marked and ready for some work to be done probably next spring. You can even see up front here, a few of them actually have been completed and are looking absolutely amazing. But still a long ways to go and a lot of hard work yet to be done. So thank you once again for joining me on this journey and this return visit to this very special location. And to just reiterate, again, there's a lot of work that still needs to be done here, but many thanks to the volunteers and servicemen that have come out here to help restore this place back to its original beauty. And we can tell by the work that has been done so far that they're doing an incredible job. And so we will continue to check back in on this place. Again, it may be until spring again before work begins, but there's a lot of hard work that goes into restoring places like that. And so once again, many thanks to the people that have volunteered their time to do so. Thank you all. I'll see you in the next adventure.